Good morning, fellow bachelors. Hope you're all doing fine. Today, I'll show you a breakfast which is not only friendly but will also kickstart your day with a burst of flavor. Trust me, you don't need to be an expert to whip up this morning delight. Instead of running away from the kitchen, let's enter the kitchen and let's make this happen. This wonderful journey of bachelor's breakfast friendly delight.
Yes, join me to have this wonderful breakfast step by step. You need one onion, carrots, grated potatoes, and make sure you have some eggs as well. Some salt and pepper for taste as usual. Beat them accordingly. Do make sure it's not too fluffy, so don't beat too much. On a hot pan, spray some oil and spread the liquid accordingly so that it's evenly spread. And now please use 2 loaves of bread. I've used full wheat bread without maida here. Make sure you bake it on medium flame so that you won't burn the lower part. The most difficult part, I tried multiple times to get this done. And now on the other part, you can, as per your choice, I use some spinach leaves, cheese, and just as toppings, some mayonnaise, and then just flip it over. Simple. There you go, a healthy breakfast to start your day, and also very healthy savings on your pocket. So if you like such videos, you know what to do. You're all very intelligent people out there. So thank you and see you in the next one.